Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Google Authenticator on the Bitget crypto trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitget application on your device, and once you have logged into your account, you will end up within the home page. From here, tap on the account icon at the top left corner and then tap on the arrow button alongside your username. Now you will be taken to the user center page. From here, tap on security. In this page, you will now see the Google Authenticator option. Go ahead and tap on it. And if you haven't already installed the application, tap on the download on App Store option to visit the app page and install it right away. Once the application is installed and set up, tap on the next button from this page. You will now be shown your QR code, which you can scan using your Google Authenticator application, or you can also use the code that is shown within the verification box. Tap on the copy button alongside the code to copy it onto your clipboard. Once you copy the code, open up the Google Authenticator app and then tap on the plus button. Then tap on enter a setup key, and within the code name you can just type in Bitget. Then paste in your security key within the your key box. You can then tap on the add button, and now the Bitget application has been added to Google Authenticator. Tap on the current key that you see within Bitget and then go back to the Bitget application to paste the key within the given box. You can then tap on the next button, and finally you will need to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone or your email address. So check your inbox and you will find this code right away. Just type in this code within the given box, and now the Google Authenticator option will also have a green tick mark, which means that it has now been activated as your verification method. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to add Google Authenticator verification on the Bitget application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.